9 subconscious things you do that make others ignore you. Did you know that our words account for less than 30% of how we communicate? The majority of our interactions rely on body language, tone, and other nonverbal cues. So even if we think we're saying the right things, sometimes our habits can unintentionally push people away. Welcome to Wisehub. This video is created with expert consultation from a certified psychologist and is intended for educational purposes only. Whether you're new here or a loyal supporter, thank you for being part of this community. Let's explore 9 surprising behaviors that could be the reason people seem to tune out. 1. Talking too much, listening too little. Do you often find yourself steering the conversation? While sharing your thoughts is important, monopolizing without giving others space can make them feel undervalued. Studies show that successful communication relies on balance and mutual exchange. If you want to be heard, you must be willing to listen. Practice active listening. For every minute you talk, allow others the same amount of time to share their thoughts. This promotes reciprocity and connection. 2. Criticizing too often. While constructive criticism can be helpful, too much can feel like nagging. Research shows that excessive criticism leads to negative emotional responses and strained relationships. People may start avoiding conversations with you if they feel constantly judged. Balance criticism with praise. For every piece of feedback, offer 2 compliments to foster a more positive and open environment. 3. Spreading negativity. Negativity has a powerful influence on our social connections. If you're constantly focusing on what's wrong, others may start avoiding you to protect their own well-being. Shift your focus from problems to solutions. Practice reframing negative situations into opportunities for growth. This not only boosts your mindset, but also makes you more approachable. 4. Lacking confidence. Your body language speaks volumes, often louder than your words. Research shows that confident body language, such as standing tall and maintaining eye contact, can boost your presence and encourage others to listen to you. On the other hand, poor posture or low energy can lead people to overlook you. Work on your body language. Stand tall, maintain eye contact, and speak clearly. Confidence is contagious and can help you command attention. 5. Overthinking conversations. Do you hesitate to speak because you're worried about saying the wrong thing? Overthinking can paralyze your contribution, making you appear disengaged. According to the American Psychological Association, overthinking often leads to social anxiety, which disrupts effective communication. Stop overanalyzing. Trust your instincts and engage with brief comments or questions to stay involved. With practice, your confidence will grow, and so will your contributions. 6. Being too agreeable. Always agreeing with others might make your opinions seem less valuable. According to a study from Personality and Social Psychology Bulletin, people who express their true opinions, even when they differ from the group, are seen as more confident and respected. Practice sharing your genuine opinions, even if they don't align with everyone else's. Disagreement can bring new perspectives to discussions and elevate the quality of the conversation. 7. Lack of enthusiasm. Monotone speech or dull expressions can make even the most interesting points fall flat. Research shows that enthusiasm and energy are essential for captivating an audience. When people feel your passion, they're more likely to engage with you. Infuse energy into your voice and gestures. Show excitement when discussing your ideas. It will draw people in and keep them interested. 8. Being distracted. Checking your phone or letting your mind wander while someone else is talking signals disinterest. Research by the Journal of Social and Personal Relationships found that being distracted during conversations leads to feelings of rejection and disconnection in others. Be fully present in conversations. Put away distractions and maintain eye contact to show that you value what others are saying. 9. Interrupting others. Cutting people off mid-sentence disrupts the flow of conversation and can frustrate others. According to research from the Journal of Pragmatics, frequent interruptions can make others feel disrespected and lead to communication breakdowns. Practice patience. Let others finish their thoughts before jumping in. This creates a more respectful and enjoyable conversation dynamic. It's natural to fall into habits that may cause others to tune out, but the good news is you can break them. By practicing self-awareness, active listening, and positivity, you'll foster deeper, more meaningful connections. Which habit resonated with you the most? Share in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more insights on improving your everyday interactions.